the everyday medications that keep our dogs healthy? There once was a time that when dogs got sick, they either got better or they didn't. Thankfully, things have changed. We now have countless ways to treat our dogs when they are ill. The following are some of the more common prescription drugs used to treat dogs today, and only when under the direct supervision of a veterinarian. Antibiotics, antiparasitics, antifungals, steroids, pain relievers. Do not forget to subscribe to receive all new